Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dongayal. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. New subscribers, special welcome. Thank you so very much. Now today, I want to share with you just a nice little beverage, because can I say something to you? It's quite evident. It's summer. It is summer. Officially the 21st of June, but it is already. And it's blazing in Jamaica. And I know some of you, wherever you are, it start get hot already. So we're coming up time after time with all of these light little quick beverages. Now today what I want to share with you is a coffee slushy. Coffee slushy. But we're going to put a little flavor to it. We want to do a vanilla coffee slushy. So the first and foremost thing you want to do is brew yourself some fresh coffee. You brew I think it's a little stronger. If you don't want to, just use the instant. But you brew it, sweeten it, and you pour it into ice trays and leave it to set. You want some coffee ice cubes. So when you do that, you'll come up with something like this, some coffee ice cubes, okay? So right here, what we're going to do, we are going to get some of our coffee ice cube inside our blender jug with a few cubes of ice, solid ice. So these were and you have to do them long because because it's coffee and stuff, it melts easily. And then another thing, the time is really hot. So let us go with this for now. If we need some more, we will just add it to it. Now to this coffee, we want some rich milk, liquid, which is some milk. So this is what I have, and I came about with this milk. I used 1 cup of vanilla Lasco. I don't know if you all get Lasco wherever you are. If not, you can use your milk of choice. And I dissolved a small carton of evaporated milk, but I will leave that for you in the description, okay? So I have my milk looking like this. So I'm gonna pour some of my milk in with the thing now. This is how you want your milk looking rich, going down on the ice cubes. I want to put to this probably about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of vanilla, maybe a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a quarter of vanilla, okay? And now to this is optional, and if it's under 18, you don't. This is like a teaspoon or less of white overproof rum, just to give it a little flavor, just to give it a kick. We're gonna go right now and we're gonna go make some noise. So we went ahead and we pureed, but we want to have something a little thicker. So what we're going to do, we're going to add our additional coffee cubes. So we're going to add the additional coffee cubes, go now and puree again. Okay, y'all? Gonna make some more noise. So now family, we went and we made some noise. And what we have here is our coffee slushy. So you want to take your time and pour. Okay, it will not be as because of the coffee. So what you want to do at this point, you want to, because it's so dull and all of that, you want to have some chocolate syrup or whatever. So you just want to put a little over it, just put a nice little pat, this is like a garnish, okay y'all, to bring up that color, to bring up that like light beige color. So it's as easy as you see it, y'all. It's like vanilla coffee slushy. Look how easy it is. This is like anytime for late night. Football season is coming up anytime. So remember to like, remember to share. Most of all, remember to subscribe when you do. Remember to hit that notification bell. And make sure you, when you subscribe, you hit that bell. Remember to thumbs up the videos. Thumbs them up, man. Please enjoy once more. From my kitchen to yours. Vanilla coffee slushy. It's as easy as that. You can't get any easier with this eat on. Debbie from Dongayal. Bless. No stress.